I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Maker Build It. Today we're talking all about breadboards. Breadboards come in various sizes and configurations for different types of projects. There are two types of breadboards, but before we get into those, make sure you like and follow. Solderless breadboards. The most common type encountered by hobbyists and educators is the solderless breadboard. It features a grid of holes into which component leads can be inserted. Underneath this grid, metal clips connect the holes in patterns that facilitate the easy assembly of circuits. Solderless breadboards are ideal for temporary projects and education purposes due to their non-permanent nature and ease of use. Solderable breadboards. For projects that require a more durable and permanent setup, solderable breadboards come into play. These breadboards require the user to solder the component lead to the metal traces on the board, making the assembly permanent. Many breadboards include one or more power reels running along the sides, designated for convenient power supply connections. These reels are typically used for distribution of power and ground connections throughout the circuit. I hope you enjoyed this video on breadboards. For more on technology, DIY, and making, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making.